Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I got a luxurious twist out today. I got this twist out using one product, and that is the Matrix Biolage Bodifying Styling Jelly. I got shine, hold, definition, body. If you're interested in seeing how I got these results, please keep watching. Thanks. Okay, this is the day after wash day. All I had in my hair was some leave-in conditioner. I let it dry overnight until the next day, and I'm just taking down these pigtails and I'm applying this jelly, and I'm going to flat twist my hair. Very runny, very liquidy jelly. So I'm going to apply it to my hair and go ahead and flat twist the back, and I'll show you how I flat twist the front. Basically, I'm just sectioning the hair, finger detangling, and I'm starting to apply this jelly. Just working it from my roots to my, from my ends to my roots, and making sure all my strands are coated. And as I'm applying this jelly, it's melting into my hair. It's so much slip. It's allowing me to run my fingers through easily. So I'm very impressed with it. And this slip also helps with flat twisting, because I'm not the greatest at flat twisting because my fingers always get tangled up. So I'm perfecting my flat twist, and this gel is making it so much easier because my hair has so much slip. So just a little bit about this product. It's 98% natural. It has no silicones or no parabens. The packaging does not say much about the product itself, other than, let's see, it's natural, of course, no silicones, no parabens. It's a bodifying styling jelly with lemon, creamy gel texture, spreads easily for application and fullness, for natural looking body and soft lift to the hair. To use, it says to apply on damp hair, begin with a small amount and apply more if needed. Work into the roots and through the ends. Blow dry and style as usual. So honestly, this product is not catered to us women of color with natural hair, but it gives us all the benefits that we are looking for in terms of styling our hair. I'm very surprised by that, which is going to make me want to investigate or experiment with other products, because this product for me gave me the best twist out of my natural hair life. So I would definitely try it again. And the only reason I picked it up, I was in Ulta. It was on clearance. The regular price was $19.50. It was on clearance for $4.97. I'm tempted to go with another one because the product is just that good. Now, I don't know. I'm tempted to try it on a wash and go. I'm very tempted to try it on a wash and go. If I do, I would definitely come back and show y'all what that looks like. I don't know if it plays well with other products, but honestly, you don't need another product with this. This thing is moisturizing. You don't need a styler. Look at that definition. Amazing. That is amazing. So, yeah, it gave me a lot of hope. I really wasn't expecting these results. I really thought my hair was going to frizz and just look the worst by the end of the day, but it didn't. So these are my flat twists. I let these dry overnight. I actually set on a dryer a few minutes, and I added these rollers. But this is the next day. I'm going to go ahead and take these rollers out and start styling my hair. Applying a little oil to avoid frizz. So as I'm taking these twists out, I'm recognizing how soft my hair is, but I do have a hold, and I notice there's no cast. My hair is not stiff. It's actually very light and fluffy. Again, very surprised, pleasantly surprised by this product. So it's very soft. My hair, there's no tangles. I'm not seeing any frizz. I'm like, wow, I would definitely try this again. I should go get another jar of this while it's on clearance. So these are the results. Look at the shine. Look at the definition. Look at the movement. And these are flat twists. And my hair is full. I really didn't need to mess with the roots, so I only picked it out a little bit. because normally when I do flat twists, because my hair is fine, my hair is usually spacey, but look, you can't see any parts or gaps or my scalp. That's amazing. And it lasted all day. So these are pics of my hair at the end of the day. It was humid, it was windy, and my hair held up all day. I have no frizz. My shrinkage was very minimum. So yeah, I thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.